Yo, do you like rice? Like a month?
My name's Aiden. I am one of the co-captains of Applied Engineering.
Look down, look down.
Of course. My rash decision was buzzing my hair.
Oh, it's bad.
The reason I did this was to motivate members of the team to kind of push them into further taking on challenges and whatnot.
Coming into the new year, we barely had any progress done. We only had a sort of an idea that we wanted a side pod with like a monohull, and the only thing we actually really built was the side pod.
And at this point, we kind of realized that we needed to make some significant progress to get back on track. The agreement was that if we finished before Valentine's Day, which I feel is a little bit cruel, but that's what we chose anyways, he would have to shave himself bald.
Ultimately, it's for the team.
Like this year, we decided on the monohull without using any foam as like the actual hull. We decided to use wood panels and a lot more CNCing. So we had to get used to using CNC processes. The outer part of our hull is made of CNC wood panels that are 3 millimeters thick.
Using very thin wood, we were able to bend it a bit, and by using resin as well as fiberglass, we were able to force it into a more curved shape. So we had a lot more sawdust than we knew what to do with, so we ended up mixing it with resin to form something we called peanut butter.
To help bond the hardwood with the thin plywood that we used for the outer shell. So most of the structural elements are done, but now we're going into more of the finer elements of how to create a motor mount and how to implement our steer-by-wire system.
So it took 3 weeks of very intense work, but in the end, I guess our motivation was driven by that, and we managed to finish everything.
Progress has been great. One little motivation for them to keep on pushing, keep on working, and finish the boat.
If we win, I'll shave my head too. We'll make it even.